Okay, so my dad's taken delivery today of a cast iron phone box, and I've taken the day off to give him a hand to get it installed or get it delivered. So I'll just have to nip out while I'm doing that, but in the meantime I've got time to get on with a few jobs here. So I bought these large jacks, which are going to be part of the frame. So I'm going to start making a chassis now for the sod to lift it up. I've got some 100mm channel. I'm not quite sure how this is going to work yet. I'm kind of making it up a bit, but I've got an idea of how it's going to fit. And these are not going to actually lift it. These are going to be safety jacks just to catch it if anything did go wrong. So as I jack it up, I'm going to wind these up with it to meet it. I'm just going to be really super safe with it. So I've got that to do. I've also got the welding to finish on this thing because I've only done one run. So there's some grinding and welding to do on that. And I've also bought the blank for, it's an offcut from my mate actually. This is for the penetrator, well at least one penetrator, so I've got some machining to do on that. The new phone box, we're going to do a project on this. I'm going to video us repairing this. It's got perspex or acrylic windows which are going to come out, and I'm going to get it grip blasted and we're going to get it painted. It shouldn't take very long. It's quite a bit of work, but Dad's going to do a fair bit of it. You're on the camera, Dad. Yeah, Ruby. I've decided what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a gantry crane, which is, there's obviously one piece there, and I'll put another one over on the other side and it'll go over the top. And I've also put a bar or a piece of channel all the way through with a jack on each side, which you can just see. Now this is only temporary, this is just so I could kind of figure out how it's going to work, but this should hold it steady. It means I can jack it at each corner. But what I'm going to do is put a supporting bars all the way round, make a sort of a cradle. He's done most of the door already. So the first bit of it done.